Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC token. The price line of LRC is still moving in a down channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal from here or we are going to break down the support of the down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the position of LRC is a bit critical because we had a very strong support here at $1.85. And the price line has broken down the support. And after breaking down, you can see that we have a big gap now. There is no major support on the long term on the weekly time frame. There is no major support below the price line. And the next support is coming here at 75 cents. But if we watch the stochastic is very close to oversold, and we can see that previously when the stochastic entered oversold, the LRC started moving sideways and started a big rally after that. But so far the stochastic is not oversold. It is really very close to this oversold zone. Once it will be oversold, then we can expect the price line can start another sideways move. But there is another support of this down channel. Unless this support won't be broken down, we cannot expect that the price line will soon move down to test this 75-cent support. It is possible that we will have another reversal, and if we will have a price reversal from here, then the resistance of the channel will be approximately at $1.60 to 70 cents. We have broken down the daily 100 simple moving average. That is critical, but we have a very strong support of 200 daily simple moving average, and you can see that it is aggressively moving up to provide the support to the price line. Therefore, there is a still probability for the price reversal from here. And we can also observe that the price line is testing the resistance of the channel more than the support. And the more we will test the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. And you can see we have several touch points here, and we have few touch points as a support. Therefore, it can be another reason for the price reversal from here. Now, if we take a look at the RSI Oscillator, that is extremely oversold. Previously, we were watching the value of our RSI was here 31, and here it was 31.09. Right now, the RSI is moved down at 28.09. And more than 30, below 30, it is oversold. And right now we are moving at 28, extremely oversold. Therefore, the next few hours are really very important for LRC. We can expect a price reversal from here, or we can break it down. I'm expecting that we can have a price reversal from the support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.